Pinasaya kamakailan ni Catherine Bernardo, isang Filipina actress, ang kanyang fans at followers, matapos i-announce kung ano ang latest endorsement niya ngayong taon. Noong Martes 19 ng Marso, masayang ibinalita ni Catherine, sa kanyang social media page na bahagi na siya ng Century Tuna Superbad family. Ayon kay Catherine, isa ito sa pinakamalaking sorpresa na natanggap niya noong Pebrero, sinabing nagsimula siyang mag-training nang malaman niya. Sa kanyang online post, ibinunyag ni Catherine, na lagi niyang pangarap na maging bahagi ng kampanya, ng Century Tuna mula pa noong siya ay teenager. This was one of the biggest surprises I've received last Feb. When they reached out to my team, I started preparing, training as soon as I found out. Shortly after, we shot the TVC, and did the photo shoot first week of March, and here we are. Everything happened so fast. It's been a dream to be part of this campaign, ever since I was a teenager, she wrote.